AutoStore Review 2020. Welcome to my AutoStore review. So what are we going to talk about today? We're going to start about what is AutoStore Review. Then we're going to talk about the pricing, the bonuses, and the extra bonuses. But first of all, since we are in the middle of the Corona crisis, I'm going to also throw in 3 extra jokes to lighten stuff up a little bit. So we're going to start with the first joke of the day, because the joke a day keeps the Corona away. So the first joke of the day is all about this guy with this gigantic speech impediment. So he can't stop hitting. So that the guy has to attend a parents' night of his youngest son. And he immediately dives into it. He says, "So teacher, tell me, how's my son math results?" "Well, actually, your son's math results are pretty good," he says. "He's got an A minus, so that's no complaints." "So, and his English, he says. "Well, his English is pretty good as well. But to make a long story short, your son excels in one discipline, and that is plastic arts." "Plastic art? Plastic art?" the guy asks. "Never heard of. Didn't exist back in my school days." "Well, actually, plastic arts, in the plastic arts classes, we teach the children how to make nice sketches and stuff. So last week I was asking the guys, who could draw me a nice ice cream sundae on the blackboard? Immediately, your son jumped up, took all the color crayons out of my hand and started drawing the most lifelike ice cream sundae I've ever seen. In fact, it was so real, another kid jumped up and started licking the blackboard as if his life depended on it. "Say no more," the guy said. "Last week he drew a vagina on the stove." So now back to business. Let's talk about AutoStore 2020. So what is AutoStore all about? Who is it for? Actually, AutoStore is a completely done-for-you setup e-commerce store. So actually, it's a very professionally set up store that's been fully optimized with the same settings that power sellers are using to make 8 figures online. The creators have completely eliminated the hassle of technical setups, so untechnical nerds like myself can get started as quickly and easily as possible, and they promised me that even I will have a hard time screwing things up, so don't worry about this one. So they got done-for-you products, proven to sell. They've removed the guesswork, so there's no question on whether you will make sales. Each store will be filled with proven to sell products for quick results, because I guess you want to start making the good old buckaroonies as soon as yesterday, don't you? They also got it done for you, researched products, updated all year long. So to fully leverage each boost in the holiday buyers, your store will be automatically updated with proven to sell products, handpicked, that are tailored for the season and latest trends. All delivered to you by the creator himself, Don, who already made zillions in the industry with these kind of shops. They also have done-for-you ads. What is your biggest fear when it comes to Facebook ads? Besides, how do I create the right graphics? How do I write a compelling copy? How do I prevent good old Mark Zuckerberg? By the way, Zuckerberg, it's German for sugar mountain. That really sounds less menacing than Zuckerberg, don't you agree? No, by the way, guys, stay away from Facebook, because yesterday what happened to me, I friended a Chinese guy on Facebook, and this morning already 4 viruses on my computer, so be careful with this one. No, but seriously, by combining professionally designed mockups with exact targeting and demographic information, you'll get high performance ads that generate sales. So they really take care of everything. It doesn't matter if you've never run a Facebook ad before. This copy-paste approach will ensure your ads are effective and profitable. They also have a done-for-you traffic and sales. So a team of absolute experts will run custom traffic until they validate a product and start producing sales, guaranteed. Even if you've never run a paid traffic before or made a sale online before, this will put you on the direct path to success. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sensing some good old Corona vibes in the area. So before we dive into the price section, the bonus section, and the extra bonus section, let's head over to joke of the day number 2. And that's all about this guy who's going on a vacation to France. So this guy went on a vacation to France, and 3 weeks later, when he is back home, he meets his best friend at their local pub. So his friend asks, "How was France?" "Well, it was pretty amazing," the guy says. I took a little tour. I did the big cities, and I also went to this region, Bretagne en français, Brittany in English, I guess, and it's very well known for its pancakes. Now he says, as you know, I've been a single for quite a while, so I had myself a little party back there. You know, they have this red light district over there, and they offer a service where they combine certain treatments with the local delicacies. Tell me more, his friend says. Well, actually, it was that amazing that I took 3 treatments in a row. Whoa, the guy says, tell me more. Yeah, well, the first treatment, he said, I went in and the lady came with this gigantic pancake, and she completely covered my dick with strawberry jam. Then she wrapped the pancake around it, and then from bottom to top, she started eating it and licked it clean till nothing was left in it. Not left of my dick, but of the strawberry jam, of course. Whoa, the guy said. And how about treatment number 2? Well, actually, it was pretty similar to treatment number 1, but now they use this warmed up chocolate sauce with a little whipped cream on top of it. And then again, they wrap the pancake around it and they eat it bottom to top, top to bottom, blah, 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 everything, bam, full service. Whoa, the guy says. And what about treatment number 3? Well, there's not much I can tell you about that one, he says, because all of a sudden, the lady came back in with the gigantic pancake, with a bottle of brandy and a box of matches, and I made a run for it. Okay, so now back to the business. Let's talk about the bonuses and the price stuff. So let's eliminate the big elephant in the room for starters. So what is the price? It's a one-time investment of $19.97. So guys, there are no upsells at all. So this is really a no-brainer, but the story doesn't end here, so I'm going to continue. First of all, you get a 1-year unlimited access to Gearbubble Pro. So Gearbubble Pro is a streamlined e-commerce platform with the industry's highest converting e-commerce cart. You'll love how simple it is to navigate the dashboard, manage the product, and of course, the optimized checkout for big-time sales. Gearbubble Pro also includes everything you need, so you won't have to pay additional apps, transaction fees, themes, or monthly rebills. So this is a really great gift. So bonus number 1, Gearbubble Pro, you get unlimited lifetime licenses. So this is amazing. This means you'll never be stuck with a monthly subscription. Regularly, this can add up to $297 a month. Instead, you can use our fully optimized system and maximize your sales for life. So bonus number 2, you get a second Gearbubble Pro Unlimited Lifetime license. So you can enjoy the freedom to start another brand or even manage a brand for a client and charge them for it. So you get a second license for a second store. You can build up another niche, anything you want, okay? So bonus number 3, that is an AutoStore group coaching during the peak holiday season. So for instance, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving. So during the very busy and highly profitable Mother's Day and Father's Day season, you will receive ongoing group coaching to ensure you'll fully leverage the season for maximum sales. And they also added a fast action bonus of $1,000 in Gearbubble Pro Credits. So guys, you will be given $1,000 in Gearbubble Pro product, which not only covers the entire cost of the offer, but you'll also profit an additional $500 just from the credits alone. Okay, so when you want to get all these bonuses, just click on the orange button which turns blue, you see? Just click here and you'll get all these bonuses I just mentioned. Plus, you're going to get all the extra bonuses via my link. So the first bonus I'm going to give you, the extra bonus, is how to find a drop shipping niche in 2020. This is a short video by top performing champions in the industry on how to determine a great niche that aligns with your personal interests and hobbies, and how to convert that into a multi-million-dollar e-commerce shop, okay? So bonus number 2, Glenn bonus number 2 is a step-by-step guide. By the way, if you want to grab the bonuses, as I mentioned, click this link and you'll get access to all these amazing bonuses at once. So bonus number 2 is a step-by-step guide on finding your highly profitable niche in 2020. Since 2 expert opinions are better than 1, here's a step-by-step guide from another icon in the industry. And bonus number 3 is how to create a marketing strategy for a new e-commerce website. Just click this button and you'll get it. Since failing to plan is planning to fail, I'm going to provide you with the strategy insights of the best of the best. And before we head over to the final joke of the day, here is Glenn bonus number 4. I think you know this guy. Eh? So for Glenn bonus number 4, this is Jeff Bezos's top tips for success in e-commerce. I think this guy fits e-commerce like an undertaker fits a hearse. In marketing heaven, they call him Jesus. You should definitely watch this video tips by Jeff Bezos. And now, before all the germs get us to choke, let's head over to our final joke. So our final joke is about John. John goes shopping in the local Walmart store, and when he takes a pack of pasta out of the shelves, suddenly this gigantic band starts playing in the store. And the store manager comes up to John and says, "Congratulations, sir. You are today the 10,000th customer who buys our great pasta, so you can shop for 2 hours without paying a dime." Whoa, so said, so done. The man comes with 5 shopping carts full of groceries at the checkout and can just go outside without paying. After an hour and a half, when he has succeeded in filling his car, he goes behind the wheel with upraise and says to himself, "Damn, this really is my lucky day. I have to take advantage of the good vibes of today. So why don't I buy myself some lottery tickets?" So the guy goes and buys himself some lottery tickets and he starts scratching the cards. And as you can guess already, the third one, he hits the jackpot and wins $500,000. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just like that. So half an hour later, when he's finally back on his senses, he thinks to himself, I think I'm entitled to a little guilty pleasure now. So he decides to go to the red light district. Here I go again with my red light district, guys. So he's a bit indecisive when he's walking around. He's doing some window shopping. and until he suddenly notices at the end of the street a tiny little brothel that looks like a kind of an Indian temple. He comes into an agreement with a beautiful Indian lady, and suddenly when he faces her, he sees that red ball on her forehead. They call it a bindi or a third eye, I guess. So what he does, he quickly grasps into his pocket and takes a coin, some change money. He takes a coin and starts to scratch the ball. Now guess what? He won a radio. Okay, so now I want to thank you for watching my AutoStore review. So guys, if you liked what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. If you want to receive notifications when I publish another review of any kind or any kind of video, hit the notification bell, so ring my bell, yeah. And please let me know in the comment section below also, what kind of e-commerce niche you want to start in 2020. I'm really curious about that one. So, will it be one of the niches in the examples, such as the holiday gifts, or the family gifts, or just any other niche you are interested in? Let me know in the comment below. So I want to thank you for watching this, guys, and see you pretty soon. I miss you already. See you soon, and keep it healthy. Bye-bye.